hair review that I'm super excited about because I picked this unit up from BeautyForever, and y'all know they are one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. Here, please like this video and please consider subscribing as I am trying to hit 70K. Okay, help me out. It doesn't cost anything. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you're an oldie but goodie, you know how much I love BeautyForever. They are one of the companies that I recommend, or I find myself recommending a lot when people are looking for human hair. So all I've done was take this unit out of its shipping packaging because, like always, y'all know I like to do everything on camera with you guys. So it came in a shipping box, of course, but then inside the box, we have the wig inside of this storage case that y'all know I love these. Okay, because I always say you can do so much more with these other than just storing your wigs. So I love these storage cases. It also came with a silk storage sack for the wig. And inside of that, they've also included a few more extra things. They've included an edge band with their branding on it, some press-on nails, and 2 packs of HD wig caps. Something else I just dropped. Hold on. 2 packs of HD wig caps. The thing that they included I dropped was some Bye Bye Knots tabs, which you know what that means. This is a Bye Bye Knots wig, and these are my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna put all the details about this wig and a direct link to the wig that I'm reviewing. But I'm gonna read some information straight off of here. This wig is a 7x5 Bye Bye Knots lace wig. It is 24 inches long and it is a water wave, which y'all know what that means. That means my mama's gonna take this one, okay? Let's take it out of this packaging and look at the cap construction. This unit is just really, really pretty right out of the pack, but that's what I expect from BeautyForever. Let's look at the cap construction. You get that 7x5 parting space in the front, which is more than enough parting space for me without having to do too much. You also get a combs to the right and the left. In the back, you get a comb as well. You get some adjustable straps. You get an adjustable glueless band. And we get the thing that I love the most about these wigs. We get a drawstring. So there are a lot of options you can use to make sure that this wig is secure to your head, whether it be the adjustable straps, the combs, or this adjustable glueless band. But y'all, when I get a human hair unit and it has this drawstring in it, this is all I use, and the wig feels super, super, super secured to my head. I am in love with these. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this unit on my head. Well, no, let me show you the hairline first. And also, this is the hairline right out of the pack. That is very pretty. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this unit on my head. I'll be sure to give you a 360 as well. I'm going to put some water or some mousse on this as well. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. And you know what's up. I know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up. Tell me what's up. People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning. Doing loud with the sun just
wig from BeautyForever hair. So y'all know that when I'm buying any wig, it doesn't matter if it's human, synthetic, whatever, there are 3 things that I'm looking for. Affordability. BeautyForever is one of the most affordable human hair wig companies. So definitely check, and they have so many payment options. The next thing that I'm looking for is beginner friendliness, because I cannot comb hair. This wig was extremely beginner friendly, and like always, y'all knew I was going to try to pull some half up, half down to see if I could do it and if it was easy, and it was extremely easy. So very beginner friendly. And the third thing that I'm always looking for is quality. The quality on BeautyForever hair has been, and I think always will be, just top notch. Like I said, they're one of those companies that I recommend the most. And so I definitely can recommend that you go check this wig out. I'm sure I gave you a 360. In the comments, tell me what you think about the drawstring, because in my opinion, that's like the selling point on this wig. Y'all, to not have to apply combs, so just to put this on my head and use that drawstring, and it feels secure enough in my head to where I feel like I could do a top ponytail. That's the best ever. So talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. Do you enjoy the drawstring wigs? Do you have any? If not, do you want one? Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be.